IRS Form 940 is the Federal Unemployment Tax Annual Report used to report the amount of federal unemployment tax liability of a business for the previous year. Form 940 deadline for the 2020 tax year is February 1st, 2021. Your business must file Form 940 if you paid wages of $1,500 or more to employees in a calendar quarter of the year as of 2020. You can e-file Form 940 with TaxBandits. The first step after signing into your TaxBandits account is to choose Form 940 for the 2020 tax year and choose an employer from your address book or enter their details below. Then provide your state unemployment tax status. You'll then provide which state you had to pay state unemployment taxes in. Next, determine your FUTA tax for the year considering any adjustments to gross pay to employees that are exempt from FUTA tax. You'll need to know the total payments for all employees for the year, adjust for payments that are exempt from FUTA, and subtract payments in excess of $7,000. Enter the total payments to all employees, then the payments exempt from FUTA tax. For boxes 4A through 4E, check all that apply to this return. You'll then enter the total payments made to each employee in excess of $7,000. TaxBandits will automatically calculate lines 6 through 8, streamlining your e-filing experience and providing the IRS with accurate information. In Part 3, if some or all of the wages you paid were exempt from state unemployment tax, you'll account for the differences in lines 9 through 10. You also have to take an adjustment in line 11 if you paid wages in any credit reduction state. We will assume none apply in our example and move on to Part 4. In Part 4, you will compare the amount of unemployment tax you owe to the amount already paid and to determine how much is currently due. If line 13 is greater than line 12, enter the overpayment in line 15 and choose whether to apply the excess in the next return or receive a refund. On the following page, for this example, our FUTA tax liability does not exceed $500, so we do not have to report the FUTA tax liability by quarter. However, when filing Form 940, if your tax liability exceeds $500, report each quarter's amount here. The final parts of Form 940 ask if you would like a third-party designee to discuss this return on your behalf and print your name, title, and phone number. After filling Form 940, TaxBandits will provide a summary of your entry and perform a quick audit check. You'll then save and continue to e-sign Form 940 using your 10-digit online signature PIN or using Form 8453 EMP. After e-signing, review the information entered on the Form 940 before completing your order and transmitting Form 940 to the IRS. Start e-filing Form 940 online now with TaxBandits and receive your filing status instantly.